All right, guys, I hope everybody's having a great day. We are up to number 7 in the series where I'm walking us through the Bible from the beginning to the end, showing where God has always wanted to partner with us. So as we get up to number 7, that brings us up to David. And you all remember David. He was a man after God's own heart. He wasn't perfect, but he was available. Have you ever felt like you were too messed up for God to use? Let me tell you something powerful. God's not looking for perfect people. If he was, he'd be in trouble. He's looking for available hearts. Are you willing? Do you want? And that's exactly what he saw in David. He messed up big time, but God still called him a man after his own heart. In 1 Samuel, we meet David as a shepherd boy, overlooked, underestimated, even rejected by his own family, but not by God. While others looked at outward appearances, God saw David's heart, a heart willing to trust, obey, and worship, a heart that showed up, even when it stumbled. David didn't get it all right. He committed sins that would cancel most people today. But what set him apart, he kept coming back to God. He remained available for God to lead, correct, and use. Friend, that's what God is after in your life too. Not a spotless resume, just a willing spirit. If you think your past disqualifies you, think again. David's story proves that God wants to partner with people who will say, "Here I am, Lord," even after failure. If this encouraged you today, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to hear this truth. We're going to go through the whole series, and it's there, trust me. God is still looking for hearts like David, and that includes yours. He still wants to partner with every single one of us. Help us get that word out. And if you want more tools, community, and resources to grow your walk with God, just head over to PWG, that stands for Partner with God, .com. GoPWG.com. It's all there in one place for you. And remember, God has always wanted to partner with people just like you. See you in the next one.